Hey everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use Notion templates to track lead generation in 2025. Start by using a CRM or lead tracker template from Notion template gallery or community. These usually come with properties like lead name, company, contract info, and lead source, stage in the funnel, and the next steps. That way you don't have to build it from the scratch. Once the template is in your own workspace, customize it to match your workflow. Add fields like estimated deal value, priority, or follow-up date. You can even create formulas to calculate conversion rates, pipeline value automatically. For better organization, you use different views. A table view works great for raw lead data, and a board view lets you see leads moves through your pipeline stages, and a calendar view helps you track follow-ups or meetings. To make things even smoother, integrate your lead tracker with tools like Zapier or Notion integration, so new leads from forms, email, or social platforms flow directly into your database without manual entry. Finally, connect your lead tracker with dashboard in Notion so you can see the monitor key KPIs like total leads, conversion rates, and closed deals in the real time. And that's how you can stay on top of your lead generation using Notion templates in 2025. Thanks everyone for watching.